Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best innovative kitchen robot chef products that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner looking to elevate your cooking game, these smart kitchen gadgets are here to make your life easier. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at rank number 4, we have the ChefRobot Kitchen Food Processor Robot Smart All-in-One Cooker, CR8. This is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines more than 10 functions, including steaming, blending, kneading, grinding, and slow cooking, all in one device. Its guided cooking mode is a standout feature, providing clear step-by-step instructions for over 500 recipes, which makes it beginner-friendly and fun to use. The design is modern and sleek, available in black, and the build quality is robust, with a self-cleaning function that significantly simplifies maintenance. However, at 28.3 pounds, this product is heavier and larger than most kitchen robots, which may pose storage challenges in smaller kitchens. Its app integration allows for remote control and recipe updates, but its slightly older tech compared to newer models means fewer customization options. Performance-wise, the CR8 handles most tasks admirably, including cooking complex recipes with ease. It's perfect for families or anyone looking for an all-in-one device to replace multiple kitchen appliances. The 20.2-inch depth might make it cumbersome for countertops, and it's not dishwasher safe, which is a minor inconvenience. Pros include its multifunctionality, guided recipes, and self-cleaning functionality. Cons are its larger size, weight, and reliance on manual cleaning. At rank number 3, we have the ChefRobot Smart Food Processor UltraCook All-in-One Auto Cooking Machine. This kitchen robot combines 15-plus functionalities, such as slow cooking, sous vide, blending, kneading, and whisking, making it a strong contender for an all-in-one cooking solution. Its 3.5 L capacity makes it ideal for mid-sized families, and the built-in scale ensures precise measurements for consistent results. The design is sleek and compact, featuring a 7-inch TFT screen for intuitive navigation. The app control functionality allows users to monitor and adjust cooking settings remotely, which is particularly convenient for busy households. While it performs well for most tasks, its weight of over 21 pounds makes it less portable than other models. Additionally, it lacks dishwasher-safe components, which requires more effort for cleaning. Performance-wise, the UltraCook excels in multitasking and guided recipe creation, accessing over 600 recipes via its app. It's a great choice for users looking to explore diverse cuisines with minimal effort. However, it's not as suitable for someone with limited countertop space due to its dimensions. Pros include versatile functionality, app control, and guided recipes. Cons are its weight, manual cleaning requirements, and slightly older tech compared to newer models. In second place, we have the Wonderchef Chef Magic, an all-in-one kitchen robot that's specifically tailored for Indian and international cuisines. It integrates functions like chopping, sautéing, kneading, steaming, and stirring into a single device, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. With over 200 preloaded recipes, curated by Chef Sanjeev Kapoor, this device is perfect for anyone looking to expand their culinary repertoire. Plus, new recipes are added weekly via its cloud connectivity, ensuring you always have fresh ideas. The design is compact yet powerful, featuring a durable ABS body and a 4.7-liter stainless steel jar. This makes it great for larger families or entertaining guests. The smart screen interface and mobile app integration allow remote control and monitoring, adding convenience to your cooking experience. However, it's not dishwasher safe, which means you'll need to hand wash its components. At 16.5 pounds, it's lighter than other models, making it easier to handle and store. Performance-wise, Chef Magic truly sets itself apart with its ability to perform continuous stirring and sautéing, which is often a time-consuming task. The extensive recipe database makes it suitable for both beginners and experienced cooks. Pros include its recipe diversity, robust design, and cloud updates. Cons are the lack of dishwasher-safe components and slightly higher price point. And finally, at the top spot, we have the Chef Magic kitchen robot with 15 functions, built-in scale, and a whopping 600+ recipes. This all-in-one device is the most advanced on this list, featuring functions such as self-cleaning, steaming, sous vide, kneading, slow cooking, and much more. Whether you're cooking for one or preparing a feast for guests, its 3.5-liter capacity can handle it all. The built-in scale ensures precise ingredient measurements, and the wireless app control lets you monitor and adjust settings from anywhere. The design is modern and user-friendly, featuring a large 7-inch TFT screen that simplifies navigation. Its self-cleaning functionality and dishwasher-safe components make maintenance effortless, which is a big plus for busy households. The safety lock design provides added security during operation, making it suitable for families with children. While it's slightly heavier at 28.6 pounds, its performance more than compensates for the added weight. In terms of user experience, this kitchen robot delivers exceptional results across all its functions. The extensive recipe database and guided cooking instructions make it ideal for both beginners and advanced cooks. It's the perfect blend of innovation, functionality, and convenience. Pros include its versatile features, app control, and user-friendly design. Cons are its weight and slightly higher cost, but those are minor trade-offs for a top-tier product. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.